Assalamu alaikum. I'm Hussein Baba. As you know, today is Monday. Monday is distribution of meals to the homeless and the needy members, right? So we are the Labrador today, and the meals today are prepared by Nusantara Group. As you know, the Indonesian, they take turn, they prepare different meals. So today I heard that they're going to have 5 to 7 different meals. So let's go and check it out. All right? Delicious Indonesian food. I've not tried it, but I can smell it. Yeah. Which group is this?
Saharum Nusantara.
Okay, look at that, look at that. What did you bring today?
Beef carbonara penne pasta.
Oh my goodness. That's not Indonesian, eh?
No, but this is good for people who need it. It's very filling.
So this is all Italian stuff.
I know.
What
It's good, eh?
Yeah.
Sama
Okay.
tu, sama.
Nasi,
We have nasi goreng as well in the box.
nasi goreng. So about 5 different type of food today?
Yeah, about maybe 5 to 6, and then close to 100 boxes.
Wow,
of food.
good, good, good.
And egg noodles.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay,
She
okay.
brought them around for me.
All right, wonderful. There the big boss come here. This is the
Yeah.
big boss.
No, this one down here is it?
Oh, this one here.
Yeah.
This one here.
Yeah, mix another
Oh
one as
my
well.
goodness, that's a more
Make you
nasi.
hungry, yeah?
Really?
Oh, that's a
Look
nasi
at that.
goreng.
See, it's not the thing. It's eye catching, the decorations and all this, you know.
This
And
is
of course,
campur.
Napa campur.
This is the main price.
Okay. As you know, we just distributed Nusantara Group. They made over 100 lunch boxes, 7 different type of meals. Okay. Oh my goodness, really, really attractive. Not only delicious, attractive. May Allah bless them, reward them for their kindness. And it's all been distributed and people are enjoying it. So inshallah, if any one of you would like to participate in this program, please do contact me. You can visit my Facebook page, hbaba500, and then we can coordinate the distribution. We need more volunteers, young and senior members. Please join and earn the reward. It's a big reward for feeding the hungry people who are in need, right? So it's very, very important. So inshallah, we see you next time. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.